When it comes to tactical gear, it's not just about looking cool, it's about having tools you can depend on when things get serious. Whether you're camping deep in the woods, preparing for emergencies, or simply love durable gear built to perform, the right gadgets can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll be checking out 10 incredible tactical and military gadgets you can grab on Amazon, all designed to make your adventures safer, smarter, and more efficient. From next-level flashlights to multi-tools and high-performance accessories, these are the real deal. Let's gear up and dive right in. Number 1. Tactical Molle Dump Pouch Drawstring Magazine Dump Bag. Kicking things off is one of the most underrated pieces of tactical gear, the Tactical Molle Dump Pouch. This little utility bag may not look like much at first, but it's a game changer for anyone who values organization and quick access in the field. Made from durable 600D nylon, this dump pouch is water-resistant, tear-resistant, and lightweight, ideal for rugged outdoor conditions. You can easily attach it to your Molle vest, belt, or tactical backpack using the built-in straps. Inside, there's plenty of space for spent magazines, gloves, snacks, or other small tools. It also features a drawstring closure, keeping everything secure even while you're on the move. The front Velcro pocket and side mesh compartments let you stash smaller essentials like flashlights, multi-tools, or even a lighter. This is one of those gadgets that seems simple until you use it. Then you realize it's an essential part of your loadout. Perfect for shooters, campers, or anyone who loves staying organized in the wild. Number 2. Spec Folding Utility Knife. Up next is something every gear enthusiast should have, the Spec Folding Utility Knife. This isn't your regular folding knife. It's a heavy-duty, tactical-grade tool designed for versatility in survival situations. Built with an armor-grade aluminum handle and titanium-coated steel blade, this knife is built to take abuse. It's drop-tested up to 100 feet, which tells you everything about its toughness. It features a quick-release button for fast blade swaps and a built-in glass breaker and strap cutter, perfect for emergency rescues or vehicle escapes. It's compact enough to carry every day, but powerful enough for serious field work. You'll appreciate the comfortable pistol-style grip, which gives a secure hold even in wet conditions. If you're looking for a low-cost yet reliable knife for your EDC or tactical setup, this one deserves a spot on your list. Number 3. Night Eyes Do It Key Carabiner Key Clip Tool. Now let's talk about one of the smallest yet most functional gadgets on this list, the Night Eyes Do It Key Clip Tool. This miniature multi-tool fits right on your keychain, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a serious punch. Made from stainless steel, it features 6 built-in tools: a box cutter, bottle opener, ruler, wrench, screwdriver, and carabiner clip. It's TSA friendly, so you can carry it on planes without any hassle, and it's tough enough to last for years. This is the kind of gadget that quietly saves your day, whether it's tightening a loose screw, opening packages, or cracking open a cold drink after a long hike. It's affordable, minimal, and incredibly practical, everything you want from an EDC essential. Number 4. FMATB 269 Tactical Helmet Accessory Kit. Coming up next, the FMATB 269 Tactical Helmet Accessory Kit is built for professionals who take safety and comfort seriously. This kit includes padded chin straps, nape protection pads, and adjustable 4-point harnesses designed for helmets like Fest, ACH, and IBH models. What makes it impressive is the ventilated nylon construction, which offers both strength and breathability. If you've ever used a tactical helmet that felt too tight, slippery, or uncomfortable during long missions, this upgrade completely changes that experience. It gives your helmet a secure fit, distributes pressure evenly, and enhances your stability during high-movement activities like airsoft, paintball, or tactical drills. A professional-level comfort upgrade that's worth every penny. Number 5. Warson Compact Multi-Mode Pocket Flashlight. Next up, one of the most versatile and budget-friendly lighting tools, the Warson Pocket Flashlight. Small enough to fit in your palm, but powerful enough to cut through complete darkness. It delivers 400 lumens of brightness with multiple modes, including high, low, strobe, and even a red-blue emergency light. It's USB-C rechargeable, water-resistant, and built from aircraft-grade aluminum for extra durability. The magnetic base is especially useful. You can attach it to your car's hood or any metal surface when working hands-free. Whether you're setting up camp, hiking after dark, or fixing something at night, this flashlight is a lifesaver. Lightweight, reliable, and impressively bright, a must-have for your tactical or survival kit. Number 6. Talon Adhesive Grip. Glock compatible. Moving on, let's talk about control, because in tactical situations, control is everything. The Talon Adhesive Grip provides an unbeatable non-slip texture that enhances your accuracy, stability, and comfort. It's ultra thin, less than 0.5 millimeters thick, so it won't add bulk, but it dramatically improves your grip even in sweaty or rainy conditions. These grips are custom fitted for specific gun models, trusted by law enforcement and military units worldwide. Easy to install, durable, and weather resistant, this small upgrade can make a big difference in how your firearm performs under pressure. Number 7. 2-point adjustable tactical rifle sling. At number 7, we've got a fan favorite, the 2-point tactical rifle sling. This sling combines comfort, functionality, and affordability into one perfect package. It's made from heavy-duty nylon webbing that evenly distributes the rifle's weight across your body, helping reduce fatigue during long operations. The adjustable strap design allows you to switch quickly between shoulders or adjust your aim on the move. The metal hooks ensure a secure hold, and the material is soft enough that it won't dig into your skin even during long use. Whether you're at the range, in the field, or on a long hunt, this sling is a simple but crucial upgrade for stability and quick maneuvering. Number 8. Universal Concealed Carry Holster. The Universal Concealed Carry Holster offers flexibility and comfort without breaking the bank. Made from 1000D nylon, it's built to withstand daily use and provides quick access when you need it most. It fits a variety of handgun models, Glock, Ruger, Springfield, Taurus, and more. You can wear it inside or outside your waistband, and it's ambidextrous, making it perfect for both left and right-handed users. The strong belt clip keeps it securely in place, while the adjustable retention strap gives you a reliable draw every time. For anyone serious about EDC or self-defense, this holster strikes the perfect balance between affordability, comfort, and performance. Number 9. Reflective Paracord 550 pounds. Here's something every outdoor adventurer should have, the Reflective Paracord 550 pounds. Don't underestimate this simple-looking cord, it's an absolute essential in survival kits. It's rated for 550 pounds of tensile strength, made from 7-core nylon, and includes reflective threads that glow in low light. You can use it for building shelters, securing gear, creating traps, or even as emergency shoelaces or lanyards. It's weatherproof, lightweight, and incredibly versatile. If you're building a bug-out bag or prepping for camping trips, always pack at least one of these. Number 10. Tactical EDC Gun Belt. And finally, we have the Tactical EDC Gun Belt, a piece of gear that ties your whole setup together. Made from reinforced nylon webbing, this belt is strong, stiff, and designed to carry holsters, tools, or pouches without sagging. It's completely metal-free, using a polymer buckle that's durable and airport-friendly. The belt is adjustable, breathable, and ideal for everyday wear or tactical missions. If you've ever dealt with belts that twist, stretch, or collapse under load, this is a huge upgrade. It's simple, reliable, and designed for real-world performance, the perfect finish to your tactical setup. And there you have it, 10 incredible tactical and military gadgets that combine practicality, power, and innovation. Each one brings something unique to the table, from compact flashlights and multi-tools to durable pouches and rifle slings, proving that high performance doesn't have to come with a high price tag. If you found something useful today, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite gadget, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily gear reviews and EDC finds. Stay prepared, stay tactical, and I'll see you in the next one.